Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and today we are going to be cleaning. As you can tell by the title, these are my favorite videos to do, one of my favorites to do. I love doing cleaning motivation. I love watching cleaning motivation. Something about it is so therapeutic, so satisfying. So if that is something you're interested in, just keep watching because we're about to get into it. We're gonna clean my kitchen, do a little bit of laundry, tidy up the dining room and the living room, and then change the sheets on our bed in the master bedroom and just tidy up in there. That's as much as I'm hoping to get done today. Our daughter is sleeping right now, so I'm hoping to get all this done while she's napping. Probably won't happen, but I'll try to do as much as we can. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel, and let's just go ahead and get started.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
Usually when I'm cleaning up, I'll be cleaning up receipts and I'll load them into my Fetch app. I'll link the app down below. This isn't sponsored by them or anything like that, but I would love to work with them. But I've been using this app for a couple months and it's just super simple and easy, so I just wanted to share it with you guys because you can get free gift cards for all you need to do is load your receipt, and then there's certain products like at the grocery store that you get extra points on, and yeah, the points equate to gift cards that you can get. So they have really good stores too. They have like Amazon, they have Nordstrom Rack, they have REI, like Lowe's, things like that. So a lot of good stores, and yeah, I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out.
You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high.
Alright guys, I feel like I got so much accomplished during that nap. I cannot believe it. She slept like an hour and 45 minutes. I didn't clean that entire time, but the majority of it. And I got everything I wanted to done. Our room is, well, I shouldn't say it. I got almost everything done, maybe like 90% done. I still have a bag that I need to unpack, and as you can see, my laundry is stacking up over there. I was gonna try to put away some of my husband's laundry, but that's fine, he could do it. But I got everything tidied up over here. Got the living room all tidied up. Probably gonna make another little mess, but that's okay. But got it tidied up. Looks good in here. This is our retractable gate, our retractable baby gate, which I love. I was gonna take it down, but she's up now, so I just climb over it. I'm gonna put this stuff away in her room now that she's up. The girls are ready to eat dinner. And dining room is all nice and clean. And the kitchen is all nice and clean. Hey! So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.